I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's try to do the loudspeaker comparison between all of these three smartphones which I got right now. Yes friends, starting with the Poco X3 Pro device, and next is a Realme X1 Max, and third is the iQOO 7 device. And all the three smartphones, they do have the one common thing, which is a dual speaker setup. Let's see which phone has got a really good volume in terms of the sound quality. This is what I'm going to exactly explain in this entire video. So first let's start with the settings. So what are the default settings what phone has got in terms of the options? So what type of customization options you do have? So let's go to the sound effects. So here you do have the preset settings where you can actually select so what type of presets you want, music, video or the voice. So in the test demonstration, every time I'll try to use a music only. As you can see, I did try to select the music during this time, and there is no Dolby Atmos in this phone or in the iQOO 7 device. Dolby Atmos is only present in the Realme X1 Max smartphone at this moment. So in the Realme X1 Max, there's an option which is available in the sound and vibration. If you try to go there, if you try to scroll down, so there's an option which is called the Dolby Atmos. So here we can actually change different preset values as well. So for the test purpose, definitely I'll try to use the same values only. Music, that is what I'm trying to use. So now let's move to the next phone, which is the iQOO 7 device. So in the iQOO 7 device, we don't have any kind of option to select the preset values. There's no options at all. There's no preset value, so by default it will be normal itself. So there's no options in the iQOO 7 smartphone. So now I'll be using this sound meter bar to test the sound quality. So which phone will be having the better sound output? That is what my main motive of this kind of video. Let me try to open the music player application which I'm going to demonstrate. So this is the same music player application which I'll be using in all the three smartphones as well. So first let's start with the Poco X3 Pro device. I'll try to increase the sound little by little. As you can see friends, I'm getting about 90 kind of decibels. So this is the first test, and let's move to the next phone. Let's see in the Realme X1 Max how much we can actually get in the Realme X1 Max. So I'm just trying to do the normal test, and then I'll try to come back and do check which phone the bottom speaker is kind of highest and top speaker kind of highest. So right now in this testing, the Poco X3 Pro has got 90 decibels is the highest. So this phone is easily reaching up to 95 decibels as well. The Realme X1 Max device, that's perfect. Let me try to open the music player in the iQOO 7 device. So let's see music. And I'm trying to play the same audio file. Let me try to start increasing the volume little by little. As you can see friends, clearly the iQOO 7 is slightly close to the Poco X3 Pro, but Realme X1 Max has got really very loud speaker. Yes, it's a really very loud. Let me try to play again. So the bottom one is reaching up to 107 decibels as well, and the top one also reaching up to 100 decibels. That's a really good advantage. Now let me just play here. The bottom one reached up to 109 decibels. That's a really incredible trend in the Realme X1 Max. That's really good. Let's check the final phone, which is the iQOO 7 device. So friends, the iQOO 7 also got the same kind of bottom speaker like other phones, but the top speaker is not that too loud. That is the reason why we are seeing slightly lower volumes in the iQOO 7 device. This might be the reason, little bit, because of the top speaker. And the vibrations are not that high in the iQOO 7 device. I think this might be the reason, because the top speaker is not having that much kind of volume. That is the reason the vibrations are not much in the iQOO 7 device. But in terms of the vibrations, the first phone goes to the, I think, Poco X3 Pro. The Poco X3 Pro has got really heavy vibrations going on in the backside in this area, and the next phone is the Realme X1 Max device. Yes, even the Realme X1 Max also has got the slightly better vibrations when compared with the Poco X3 Pro. A little bit kind of more vibrations. So first phone in terms of the sound, the Realme X1 Max is a clear winner, which has got very good sound. And second phone which has got the best sound effects, I think the Poco X3 Pro and the iQOO 7, these both phones are slightly close to each other, I would say, but slight points for the Poco X3 Pro, because top ear speaker did reach close to 100 decibels as well. That's the one thing which I thought of mentioning. And vibration issue is there in two phones, not in the iQOO 7 device. Vibration issue is not there in the iQOO 7 smartphone. So thank you for watching this video, friends. This is a quick review and loudspeaker comparison between all of these three smartphones, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.